Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm diving into Veeva Vault. And no, it's not some secret bunker filled with pharma secrets, although kinda close. So, what exactly is Veeva Vault? In plain English, it's a cloud-based content and data management platform designed mostly for highly regulated industries like life science, pharmaceuticals, biotech, the big sciencey folks. It helps teams manage documents, processes, and data all in one place. Think clinical trials, regulatory submissions, quality control, even promotional materials. Instead of juggling 15 spreadsheets and 800 email chains, you've got one secure place to get your work done. So, whether you're in quality assurance, regulatory, R&D, or just trying to stop your team from drowning in outdated PDFs, Vault can seriously streamline your workflow and help you stay compliant without pulling your hair out. Stick around as I'm going to show you the different benefits and features of this great platform. First of all, if you go to the website, that's veeva.com, or simply do a quick Google search on Veeva Vault, you'll land on the homepage right here. As you can see here, they do tell you right off the bat that they are building the industry cloud for life sciences, like software, data, and business consulting for R&D, quality, and commercial. And scrolling down, you can see some bits of information about the features and benefits of the platform. So here you can see some of the powerful companies that are trusting them, and I do recognize some of them that are in the pharmaceutical business. Now, here you can see the main business categories that are offered by Veeva. So as you can see here, clinical, regulatory, quality, safety, medical, and commercial. And you can learn more about any of them. So let's go ahead, for example, and learn about the clinical side of Veeva. If you go ahead and click here, you can see some testimonials and feature solution. And the same goes for any of the other categories here. Now, let's go to the top here and let's explore the products. So in clinical, the clinical side, or the clinical tools, or the tools offered for clinical businesses, you can see here Veeva eTMF, CTMS, payments, study startup, and others. And in the regulatory aspect, you can see the Veeva RIM. In the safety, you can see Veeva Safety here. Quality, medical, commercial, data, Veeva AI, and others. And let us explore the Vault aspect of Veeva. If you go to safety, as you can see here, you have the Veeva Vault, so you can learn more about the Veeva Vault platform. Let's go ahead and check what it has to offer. So, the Veeva Vault is where you can manage content and data in a single platform. It is proven to work with over 50 applications in secure, high-performance, validated environment. Also, you can integrate with other systems using Open API and Fuel Analytics. So basically using their API to integrate with other tools. And also it's open, so you can easily extend the application with the Java SDK and through certified partners in order to get it to work with your exact business requirements. So you also have Veeva AI, which is coming to Vault platform and applications. This helps give you even more control over your data. So you can manage content and data, as I told you. You have the data model, which is the Vault Object Framework, or VOF, that creates custom objects to manage business processes. You also have the compliance and validation side to deliver comprehensive validation packages for your business. And you can also improve business processes. You have lifecycle and workflows, process reporting, and Vault connection to automate cross-functional workflows and data synchronization. Even more features here. The user interface is intuitive. You have the role and task-based UI to simplify your experience and help you navigate and go through the settings and the tools that you need more easily. You have flexible reporting, you get advanced reports on your data, and you can easily configure and manage your data in Vault. Also, as I mentioned before, you can integrate easily with other tools and certified partners with their Open API and Direct Data API. And finally, you can rest assured that your data is stored securely on Veeva Vault. So, if you go back to the products here, you can see that they offer a demo center for development cloud, Vault Quality, medical solutions, and commercial cloud. So basically for like the main aspects of Veeva. Let's go to Vault Quality. You can see here that you need to contact them in order to access the demo. And in the meantime, you can watch some videos here to give you a quick overview or a quick idea of how they work. You have the Vault Quality Overview, Validation Management Overview, QMS Overview, and others. Now, let's go here to services. Basically, what Veeva offers you. So, they offer business consulting, education services, Veeva digital events, support, and community. Let's go ahead to the Veeva digital events, for example. And they promise seamless focus on customer success across the entire event life cycle. Also, here you can see the cycle here of the steps needed in order to manage events from requesting to approval all the way to closing. Also, they are trusted, as I told you before, by hundreds of international brands across specialty and primary care. Also, you get some statistics and some resources here if you want to learn more. Now, let's check out some other products. For example, if you are in the quality realm, let's go ahead and check, for example, the Veeva Station Manager. That helps you deliver the right content to the right station. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, here you can see you can ensure the right content for the right location on the manufacturing floor, so you can rest assured that your information are in the right place. Now, you can go ahead and see some videos here to learn more about how it can help you and read more documentation. Now, here at the bottom, you can see the solutions. You can learn more about each individual solution. You have your resources here, from customer stories to resource center to events to the blog where you can read more about them. You can see the services that they offer from business consulting and educational services and learn more about their partners. So let's check what they have to offer in the medical field. You can see here that you get connected software, data, and business consulting to maximize medical impact. Okay, and here the software, it offers an intuitive way to organize your business or your medical business needs in a very modern and sleek and easy to understand UI, as you can see from the screenshots right here. Now you can learn more about Veeva Vault CRM for medical, or Veeva MedComs, or Veeva Med Inquiry. Let's go to Veeva Vault CRM, or Customer Relationship Management for medical. You can drive high impact scientific exchange here. And again, as you can see, the interface is pretty visual and easy to use. Now, you can precise personalized engagement because Veeva Vault CRM is, in the end, a CRM or customer relationship management. However, it is specially aimed for pharmaceutical and biotech companies. So it does offer key capabilities for the medical field teams, including stakeholder profiling, planning, content sharing, and capturing and analyzing medical insights. And you also can have access to your data offline on your iPad, iPhone, or Android phone, which is pretty cool. So you don't need to open the platform online or through the browser. You can have your data stored locally. And you can see some other snippets and watch some videos to learn more about the specific features. Now, in the end, if you are in some of these specific fields like medical or data science, investing in a platform like Veeva can make your life way easier.